Want that viral Korean glass skin without spending a fortune? Today I'm showing you how to make the ultimate rice water toner in just 3 minutes. This secret has been used for centuries in Asia for brightening, tightening pores, and getting that lit from within glow. Let's dive in. Take half a cup of organic white rice. First, rinse it quickly with water to remove any dust or impurities. Drain that water. We don't need the first wash. Now, add 1 cup of filtered or distilled water. Swirl it around and let it soak for about 20 to 30 minutes until the water turns milky white. Now, strain the rice water into a clean glass jar. Here's a pro tip. If you want it to be extra powerful, let it sit at room temperature for 12 hours to ferment. This releases patera, a miracle ingredient for anti-aging. If you're in a hurry, you can use it right away, but fermentation is where the magic happens. Pour your toner into a spray bottle. After cleansing your face, spray it on or use a cotton pad. Gently pat it into your skin, don't rub. It's super refreshing and instantly hydrates. Store it in the fridge, it'll stay fresh for up to 7 days. Consistency is key. Use this every morning and night, and you'll see a difference in just a week. If you loved this easy DIY, hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare secrets. Stay glowing.